welcome to another video. As I already said, maybe you don't know it, it's in my first video. I want to show you some Ayurvedic recipes, and today we are going to do Khichari, which you may have already seen in the description. Kitchari is an Indian Ayurvedic meal, which is really good for your digestion, really good for your health, because it's easy to digest. It cleans your body. That's what they say. It has healing aspects because of the rice and its beans, and also the cooking is itself very meditative. It's very easy to make, so it's a good start for beginners. They say it's also very nice if you are feeling bad or having any difficulties right now. This can be mental problems or also health problems. So it really cleanses your body. It helps you with your health, and this is a very soothing and savory meal I really appreciate. So I would really like to share this with you. I'm really excited how you will like it, and there are many possibilities to make it. I will show you a standard form to cook it, but you can add many optional things that you like, and also of course the portion sizes are also depending on how much you want to do and for how many people you cook. I have half a cup of rice and half a cup of beans, which is quite a lot as I see now. So the cool thing is you can make out of the leftover Kitchari also Kitchari fritters. Therefore you just have to wait for some hours that they cool down, and it gets a bit sticky, and then you just add flax seeds or something that it sticks together, and then you can bake them or roast them on the pan. So it's really awesome. There are many possibilities to make it. And you can even make something out of the leftovers. So Kitchari fritters sounds really great. I haven't tried them out yet myself. You can even eat Kitchari sweet, savory, spicy, herby. You can eat it every day. So there are even Kitchari diets. You can find them on the internet. I'm not that much of a fan to eat things every day and all the same. It's not a very balanced diet, but still you can try it out, and I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. First of all, what we need. I have already here some mung dal beans. They are mungo beans, but split, and some basmati rice. You can use any rice you want. Basmati is one of the best. I really like them. You can choose completely on your own how you want to make your Kitchari. That's the cool thing about it. It's really nice for beginners. You use only 2 or 3 kinds of vegetables. So I have here some carrots, some peas, and underneath there is some spinach. So I will use them later on. So as basics, I have some ginger and some porree. You can also use onions. It's basically the same. So we of course put on the heat on the stove, and it's really good that you have some onion. I really like them. It's not necessary, of course. Nothing is necessary actually. It's very good if you clean your rice. And I have soaked the beans like 1 day. It's really enough if you soak them into water for like 4 hours. It's better if you put them the night before, and then you soak them just into a cup of water. I also use then half a cup of rice. Put everything together and cook it for about 20 minutes, which we will do now. So now you see my onions are already nearly done. After you have rinsed your rice, you have to see if the liquid that is coming out is clear. And then you will wait for a minute. The Indian people, and in a traditional way, you put in some ghee. It's similar to butter. I don't have it right now here, so olive oil is also really fine. You now put in the ginger actually. but I'm not doing that. I want my ginger to be very fresh, so that's why I'm putting in the ginger in the very end. I can recommend it to you as well, but you don't have to do it if you don't really like the ginger taste and the garlic taste. I mean, did I say ginger? I meant garlic. It applies to ginger as well. So after you have rice, and now the beans are following after I have steamed them as well. So you have to put out the liquid in which it was soaked in. And now we are going to mix it. We're not putting in any water yet. Let it a bit roast inside. Mix it very good. You see, I have not salted it or spiced it yet. Will come later on. So as I have added half a cup of beans and half a cup of rice, I will add 1 more cup of water, and we let it simmer for about 20 minutes on a low heat. Now 20 minutes are over. We are having a wonderful, good smelling, nearly done Kitchari. So I will now add the spices and the veggies. You can add whatever you want. I really like to add also zucchini or eggplant. Spinach is really good here. Tomatoes, tomato sauce. Also, I'm gonna make now a very traditional variation. And we will mix it all together. Of course, you can add more water so it's more like a soup. It's actually, I think it goes into the category of soups. Yeah, you can also add mushrooms. Beetroot is also very nice. Kale, cauliflower. And then you will mix it up, and before we give it a low heat for another 10 minutes, I will add some more spices. Oh yeah, I have 1 clove garlic and some ginger. And now we'll come to the herbs. I'm always adding some pepper. Yeah, in the Ayurveda experience, the people add spices after the seasons. So as we have spring now, they use spring seasons, but that's not necessarily. I use herbs after the veggies. So if I have carrots here and spinach, I will definitely add some garam masala. I don't know if you know it. It's a mixture of different spices all together. Some turmeric. Chili is also very nice if you like a bit more spicy, but that's not necessary. You can be very generous here with the spices. And some muscat. I don't know if you know what it is. It's really good, especially when you're doing like something with potatoes, mushrooms, but also with vegetables in general. You see our Kitchari got very savory already.